Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 10 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 10 and then click on view all lessons. So the measurement. Please make sure book and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Let's just start with the first one, that is customary rate, convert rates and measurements, customary units. Let's just start with the first lesson. Okay, you have to convert from 34 gallons to quarts, right? So in 1 gallon you have to use the basic conversion units. So 1 gallon equal 4 quarts, right? In 1 gallon we have 4 quarts. So we're going to convert 34 gallons to quarts. So you have to multiply 34 gallons time 34 times 4 you have to do. Got it? So 34 times 4 equal 136 quarts. The correct option is 136 quarts, right? Okay. Then you have to convert from feet to yards, right? 69 feet, and we know that in 1 yard we have 3 feet. Hold on. Okay, 1 yard equal 3 feet. Just remember the basic conversion units, and 1 yard equal 3 feet. So you have to divide, you are given 69. Divide 69 feet by 3, right? So when you divide 69 by 3, that equals 23 yards. The correct option is 23 yards, right? Let's just start with the test questions. 84, you have to convert 84 inches to feet. So how do we convert in 1 feet? How many inches do we have? You have to convert from inches to feet, right? So 1 feet equal 12 inches. 1 feet equal 12 inches. You have to use the basic conversion unit, that is 1 feet equal 1 feet equal 12 inches, right? So you have to convert from inches to feet. So you have to divide 84 by 12, right? So 12 times 7 is 48, that equals 7 feet. The correct option is 7 feet, right? So 84 inches equal 7 feet. The correct option is 7. Okay, the next one is 7 gallons to pints. You have to convert from gallons to pints, right? So 1 gallon equal 8 pints, right? Gallon is a bigger unit, pints is a smaller unit. Whenever you go from bigger units to smaller units, you have to multiply. Got it? So you have to multiply that 7 times 8. 7 times 8 is 56. That means 7 gallons equal 58 pints. The correct option is 56, sorry. 7 gallon equals 56 pints. The correct option is 56. Got it? The correct option is 56 pints. Okay, 46 feet. You have to convert from feet to inches, right? So feet is a smaller unit and inches is a bigger unit, right? And in 1 inch you have 12 feet. 1 inch you have 12 feet. So that means you have to convert 46 feet to inches. So you have to do 46 times 12, right? And 2 times 6 is 12. That is 552 inches. The correct option is, sorry, feet is a bigger unit than inches, right? 1 feet equals 1 feet equal 12 inches, right? So you have to multiply. Feet is a bigger unit and inches is a smaller unit, right? So 46 feet, you have to multiply 46 times 12. That means 46 feet equal 552 inches. Whenever you go from a bigger unit to smaller unit, you have to multiply, right? The correct option is 552. Okay, the next one is 48 pints. You have to convert from pints to fluid ounces, right? So which is the basic unit? 1 pint equals 16 fluid ounces, right? Pint is a bigger unit. 1 pint equal 16 fluid ounces. So you can 42 for you are given 48 inches. You have to do 48 pints. 48 times 16 you have to do, right? So 6 times 8 is 48. That is 768 fluid ounces. Got it? The correct option is 768 fluid ounces. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? So keep these basic conversions in your mind. When you have the basic conversions in your mind, you can do whatever you want, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next one is convert rates and measurements metric units. Let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, the next one is 1000 you have to convert from centigrams to grams, right? 1000 centigrams equal how many grams? You have to convert from centigrams to grams, right? So 1 centigrams equal 1 gram equal 100 centigrams, right? So you have to divide it by the 100. So 1000 centigrams divided by 100 equal 10 grams. The correct option is a smaller unit and divided by the 100. Whenever you go from a smaller unit to bigger unit, you have to divide. Got it? Okay, the next one is 863 kilograms to grams. So kilograms is a bigger unit and grams is a smaller. 1 kilogram equal 1000 grams. So you have to multiply 863 times 1000. That equals 863 thousands. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, 1000 milligrams equal, which is the correct option? 1000 milligrams equal 1 gram. The correct option is 1 gram, right? The correct option is 1 gram. Okay, the next one is 1000 millimeters equal how many meters? One thousand millimeters equal 1 meter. The correct option is 1 meter. 863 kilograms equal how many grams? The correct option is 863 kilograms equal 863 thousands gram, right? The correct option is 863 thousands. 308 centiliters equal how many milliliters? The correct option is 3080 milliliters, right? The correct option is 3080. Okay, the next one is 961 liters equal how many milliliters? 961 liters equal 961 thousands milliliter. The correct option is 961,000. 584 centimeter equals how many millimeters? Millimeters. The correct option is 5,840 millimeters. The correct option is 5,840. The second option is the correct one, right? 1,000 grams equal. The correct option is 1 kilograms. The correct option is 1 kilogram. 673 kilograms equal how many grams? Yes, the correct option is 673,000. Option number 1 is the correct option. The next one is 295 liters, which is the correct option. The correct option is 295,000 milliliter, right? The correct option is 2095 milliliters, right? 587 meters equal. The correct option is 587,000 milliliters, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just start with the next lesson. And the next lesson is convert squares and cubic units of length. Let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, many square centimeters equal 1 square meter? So you have to convert from 1 square meter to 1 square centimeter, right? First thing is you have to convert from meter to centimeter, right? 1 meter equal 100 centimeter, but you have to convert square centimeters. So you have to multiply twice by 100, right? Basically, 1 meter equal 100 centimeters. But here you have a square. So that's why you need to multiply. That is 1 square centimeter. You have to multiply it twice by the 100 centimeter, right? You are left with 10,000 centimeters square. Got it? The conversion is basic. Just you have to. Okay, here let me see. Okay, let's just look at this one. That is 1000 cubic millimeter equal how many cubic centimeter? You have to convert from millimeters to centimeters, right? So in 1 centimeter, you have 10 millimeter equal 1 centimeter, right? So you have 1000 millimeter cubes. So you have to divide, because that is a cube, you have to divide by 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, and 10 millimeter, right? So they cancel out each other. You are left with only 1 cubic centimeter. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, that's the same one we just did. We have 1000 cubic millimeters, right? So in 1 centimeter, you have 10 millimeters, right? So you have to divide this 10,000, because that is a cubic millimeters, right? That is millimeter cube. You have to divide it by the 10 millimeter times 10 millimeter times 10 millimeter. So when you multiply them, that equals 1000 centimeter cube, 1000 cubic millimeters divided by 10 times 10 times 10 is equal to 1000 and millimeter cube. So millimeter cube and millimeter cube cancel out each other. You are left with 1, and 1000 times 1 is, you are left with 1 cubic centimeter. The correct option is 1 cubic centimeter. Got cubic centimeter. 1 cubic yard equals how many cubic feet? Okay, 1 cubic yard, right? So 1 cube yard equal 3 feet, right? So because that is a cubic, you have to do 3 3 feet times 3 feet times 3 feet, right? That equals 9. 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 3 is 27 cubic feet. The correct option is 27 cubic feet. Option number 2 is the correct option, that is 27 cubic feet. One square meter equals how many square centimeters? The correct option is 1 square meter equals 10,000 square centimeters. The correct option is 10,000. The correct centimeter equals 100 square millimeters. The correct option is 100. 9 square feet equal how many square yards? The correct option is 1 square yards. The correct option is 1. 1 cubic centimeter equals how many cubic millimeters? The correct option is 1000 cubic millimeters. Option number 2 is the correct option. The next one is 27 cubic feet equal how many cubic yard? The correct option is 1 cubic yard. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is precision. Which measurement is more precise, 92 days or 83 weeks? So basically precision is precise values are the one that are with the smaller unit, right? We are given 92 days and 83 weeks, right? So 92 days is precise, right? Because a day is a smaller unit than a week. So the correct option is the correct option. Okay, let's just start with the. So keep this very important point in your mind. Uh, a smaller unit is a more precise value, right? Which measurement is more precise? Which is the correct option? 84.35 years or 18 years? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 84.35 years because here the time is measured to the hundredth of the unit. So the correct option is 84.35. The next one is which measurement is more precise, 27.01 mm or 77.8 millimeters? So which is the correct option? The correct option is that is 27.01 millimeter. Option number one is the correct option, right? Which measurement is more precise? Which is the correct option? That is 23 centimeters, right? Because centimeter is a smaller unit. So the correct option is 23 centimeter. Which measurement is more precise? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 96.05 days. The correct option is 96.05 days. Option number one is the correct option. Which measurement is more precise? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 6 centiliters because centiliter is a smaller unit, right? always the precise centiliters. Oh, sorry. Milliliter is a smaller unit. So 34 milliliter is a smaller one. The next one is that is 43 inches. The correct option is 43 inches. Which measurement is more precise? 92.07 kilometer or 63 kilometer? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 92.07 kilometers. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which measurement is more precise? 72 yards, 4 feet. Which is the correct option? That is 4 feet, right? The correct option is 4 feet. Okay. Which measurement is more precise? 35 days, 30, 75 days, 31 minutes. Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 31 minutes because minutes is a smaller unit, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 10 math. The chapter we were working on is measurement. The lessons we have covered today are convert rates and measurements, customary unit, convert rates and measurements, metric unit, convert squares and cubic units of length, and precision. So, please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9, or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So if you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Please ask questions if you have any. No questions? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.